Hello everyone, this is Ankit Gupta. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the settlement pattern and drainage pattern. This topic include in the topographical maps. Every year in the board examinations, this type of questions are also asked in the topographical maps. So let's discuss. Settlement. Settlement means it is a place where people live. It is also a group of homes or dwellings. A settlement may be as single as house in remote areas as large as megacities. It means the settlement may be a very small. It may be a group of 2 or 3 huts, or it may be a large like a megacity like Mumbai, Kolkata. Okay, so settlement in, if we talk about in common term, in Hindi it is known as basti. Okay, so settlement is a very important phenomena which tell us about huts, houses, ki what type of houses are present in their places. Settlement types. In topographical maps, settlement types are representing by 2 ways. First is permanent hut, second is temporary hut. The permanent hut is represented by the full red color, whereas temporary hut is represented by the block of only boundary red color. Then if we talk about next topic, that is a settlement pattern. What do you mean by settlement pattern? Settlement pattern are the settlement clusters of various shapes and size. It means a group of houses, huts in which geometrical pattern they are located. There are 2 types of settlement pattern. First is nucleated and second one is dispersed. Nucleated settlement. You can see in the diagram. The nucleated settlement is that type of settlement where the buildings, houses are in a group, in a compact manner. That's why this settlement pattern is also known as compact settlement. And this type of settlement represent in the topo sheet like this. Okay, if in the left diagram you can see nucleated settlement are represented by this type of diagram. Now if we see in the topo sheet, so by the 2 diagrams which are given in the picture, you can understand this type of settlement are represented on the topo sheet. So we can identify by this pattern. The settlement are the groups of nucleated settlement groups of houses which are representing by the red color. Okay. Next type of settlement pattern is a dispersed settlement pattern. Dispersed settlement means the scattering of houses over a large area. So in this diagram you can see in this picture the houses, the huts are in a scattered form. In the left side the diagram which is given, you can understand the topo sheet representing this type of diagram. Okay, so in this topo sheet you can see the scatter settlement pattern in this picture as well as in this picture. In both picture you can see that settlement pattern is a scattered. Next topic is a drainage pattern. What do you mean by drainage pattern? Drainage pattern is a geometrical pattern formed by streams, rivers and lake in a particular drainage basin. It means in the streams they all have many geometrical pattern by which we can understand their characteristics. There are 4 types of drainage pattern: dendritic drainage pattern, radial drainage pattern, trellised drainage pattern and disappearing drainage pattern. First, dendritic drainage pattern. What do you mean by dendritic drainage pattern? In the dendritic system, there are many contributing streams which are joined together into the tributaries. In this diagram, you can see this is the main river and many tributaries are meeting. And there are also sub-tributaries are meeting in the tributaries. And this is a tree-like structure. You can see it is a tree-like structure. When this type of structure are found, so this pattern is known as the dendritic drainage pattern. In the topographical maps, you can see this type of drainage pattern is representing dendritic drainage pattern. Okay. Next pattern is the trellis pattern. This type of pattern occurs when the stream joins the main river at right angle. You can see there is a main stream and the streams are joining in a right angle. In the topo sheet, it is representing like this manner. We can identify very clearly by this type of drainage pattern, which is known as the trialized drainage pattern. Next drainage pattern is the radial drainage pattern. When the stream flows in different direction from a central peak or hill structure, this type of pattern are found. See, this is the highland. Highland means the contour lines are marking in the topo sheet, and from this central peak the streams are moving in the many areas like this. When you will see in the topo sheet, you can see in the mid there are many contour lines are representing. These contour lines are representing a elevated landform, and from that landform the streams are moving in the all parts. Okay, this type of pattern is known as the radial pattern. Next pattern is a disappearing. Disappearing means gayab ho jana. Okay, in this type of pattern the streams disappears. Okay, where disappears? When the inland drainage or in a desert area, any arid areas are found, the stream disappear, and this type of structure are found in the topographical maps by the black color. Why it is black color? Because it is a dry stream. You can see the example. This drainage pattern is representing the disappearing drainage pattern. So in this video we have discussed about the different types of settlement pattern as well as the drainage pattern. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, thank you.